Welcome to Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker here at the New York Stock Exchange, bringing you a review of this week's stock market. On Monday, stocks jumped after President Trump tweeted that there has been substantial progress in trade talks with China and that he will delay the planned increase in tariffs. On Tuesday, housing starts for December fell 11.2% to an annualized 1.078 million units, far below estimates. The Case-Shiller home price index for December rose 0.2% on top of the prior month's 0.3% gain, and consumer confidence for February shot up 9.7 points to 131.4. Markets finished today slightly lower. On Wednesday, the pending home sales index for January increased 4.6%, and factory orders for December rose a meager 0.1%. The EIA petroleum status report for the week ending February 22nd saw crude oil inventories decline 8.7 million barrels. The top trade negotiator for the U.S. said that China will need to do more than increase purchases of U.S. goods and that it's too early to predict the outcome of current talks. Geopolitical tension increased on news that Pakistan shot down 2 Indian jets and executed airstrikes in Kashmir. Markets ended the day mixed. On Thursday, the fourth quarter GDP came in at 2.6% at the high end of expectations, and jobless claims for the week ending February 23rd saw an increase of 8,000 to 225,000. President Trump ended a summit early with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un after he felt that North Korea didn't offer enough in exchange for the U.S. lifting sanctions. Markets fell modestly. On Friday, the ISM Manufacturing Index for February fell 2.4 points to 54.2, and the PMI Manufacturing Index for February declined 1.9 points to 53. Personal income for December rose 1%, but consumer spending fell 0.5%. Due to delays from the earlier government shutdown. Also released was personal income for January, which declined 0.1%. Markets opened modestly higher. Now let's take a look at some stocks. Etsy Inc. reported its fourth quarter and full year financial results after market close on Monday. The company surpassed expectations with revenue surging 46% year over year. Etsy reported earnings of 32 cents per share on revenue of $200 million. The Home Depot reported its fourth quarter financial results before market open on Tuesday. The home improvement retailer provided weaker than expected results, causing shares to tumble by 3%. Home Depot reported earnings of $2.09 a share on revenue of almost $26.5 billion. Chief Financial Officer Carol Tome said that weather-driven demand negatively impacted sales by 0.85%. Fitbit Inc. reported its fourth quarter financial results after market close on Wednesday. The smartwear device maker topped estimates in both revenue and earnings, but missed guidance estimates. For the quarter, Fitbit reported earnings of 14 cents per share on revenue of $571 million. Fitbit sold 5.6 million devices, increasing 3% year over year. Booking Holdings reported its fourth quarter earnings during extended trading hours on Wednesday. The travel company missed revenue expectations and provided weaker than expected guidance, causing shares to fall by 9.8% on Thursday. For the quarter, Booking Holdings reported earnings of $22.49 per share on revenue of $3.2 billion. JCPenney reported its fourth quarter financial results on Thursday morning and topped analyst expectations, sending shares soaring by as much as 25%. For the quarter, JCPenney reported earnings of 18 cents per share on revenue of almost $3.8 billion. Revenue fell by 9.5% this quarter compared to the same quarter last year. This is Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker, and I'll see you again next week.